Hi, this is Migo, your portable internet-enabled 3D printer. Migo was born to change your view of 3D printing. Simple and portable. Just plug it in and play. We always keep the highest industrial standards in mind. Life will be simple and exquisite with Migo. That's not all. Migo goes beyond your imagination. As inventors, we worked hard to make Migo smaller than small, achieving the maximum volume to size ratio. In fact, Migo is so compact, there are no unnecessary parts. Yet it's more powerful than other 3D printers. Furthermore, the replaceable printer head can fuel all your creative needs. That's how Migo makes your life more colorful. Migo was born for your creativity. Designed with built-in apps, Migo is perfect for anyone. Migo changes the way you print, letting you print creatively, anytime, anywhere, effortlessly. Batch printing makes Migo more efficient than the competition. Multiple prints are just one click away, allowing you to instantly build your own printing factory. Amazing features make it the new standard in 3D printing. The printing process has never been so enjoyable. This is Migo, the fantastic future of quality, affordable 3D printing. Migo, best friend for life.
If you could create anything, what would you build? With Pluto, you can start this right now.
Creative team, and we really enjoy building our projects. After 3 years of hard work and great effort, we have accomplished our dream. Now we want to build yours. Our aim was to build a 3D printer with SLS laser technology and to make it available to independent professionals and small and medium-sized firms. Using synthesized polyamide powder with a laser, we produce precise, functional, and durable prototypes. We have worked hard to produce the best quality at the best price. And we've made it. Together with hardware and software capable of revolutionizing the market, we have added attractive design, functionality, and innovation. The VIT SLS is the result of natural robotics working together with a team of professionals in the fields of electronics, engineering, computing, mechanics, and design. Together, we have created a 3D printer with exceptional characteristics. The VIT SLS is open materials. It can work with various kinds of powder according to the needs of each piece. You just add the powder to the machine and press the on button. We wanted our printer to be user-friendly, so we added LED accessories to indicate the state of the process at all times. Once the process is finished, a signal will appear. All you do is extract the object and clean it. You can even reuse the leftover powder. The VIT SLS is the solution many companies have been waiting for. It's the perfect tool for fast and cost-efficient creation of scale models and prototypes. That is why we have developed our own technology and built a low-cost printing machine that offers the same or even better features than those on the market today. Join our dream. Be a part of it. Support us on Kickstarter.
Introducing Volod, the first 3D printer that makes sense in your life, and the very first to be connected to an online platform that places thousands of objects at your fingertips. In other words, we are the Netflix of objects. It's that easy. Go to Volod, choose the object you wish to make today, and voila, it's yours. With Volod, you will join a revolution of people with the power to have things in an instant. No more transport, no more endless waiting. It is a revolution of those who choose sustainable objects, and of those who are able to share and send objects to any part of the world with just a single click, enabling one to have unique products that have never been manufactured. With Volod, your life will be easier, more fun, and infinitely more creative. Can you imagine getting for free what has never been free? Create objects just by connecting to the internet. No prior knowledge is required. It's never been that easy. Volod. All you can do is everything.